Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix blurry story on your Facebook. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials like this. To fix blurry story on your Facebook, first open your Facebook application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are signed into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at top right corner, then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings option at first, then scroll down and tap on media. Now here on the top you can see video quality features. There are two features over here, that is optimized and data saver. If your data saver mode is on, then your video quality will be reduced to use up to 40% less data. So tap on optimized so that you can adjust videos to the network conditions. With this you'll be able to fix blurry story on your Facebook application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.